How to block apps from being downloaded on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Screen Time. Again, scroll down the list until you find Lock Screen Time Settings. This feature lets you manage device usage and apply restrictions for content and privacy. If you haven't already, it's important to set a screen time passcode. After that, re-enter your password to the re-enter screen time passcode. You can also set screen time passcode recovery if you forget your screen time passcode. Once your passcode is set, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. From this menu, tap iTunes and App Store Purchases, then select Installing Apps. Change the settings from Allow to Don't Allow. But before that, enter the screen time passcode. This will block new apps from being downloaded or installed from the App Store. Following these steps, you can easily block apps from being downloaded on an iPhone.